going to be the way less scenic part of the ride. Forgot the kill switch there. Back on the highway like usual. Hopefully something exciting happens, but I mean, after you're just going down those back roads and stuff and enjoying nature, this is way less fun. Sorry, I'm still coughing, but yeah, this is way less fun. But I'm still out riding. It's beautiful weather. It's a nice day. I'll take what I can get. My camera is decently low on battery. I'm trying to see it right now without being too risky. It looks like it's pretty low on battery. Hoping it makes it the whole way home. But if not, I'll just have to end the video when it dies. I might be good though. We'll see. Unfortunately, I went riding earlier in the day today. Like, I left my house at like 1:30ish, which is very, very early for me to go riding. I usually go around 6 or 7 p.m. at 6, 7. But sorry. Not a lot of people are going to get that. But anyways, so unfortunately I'm probably going to have to deal with the out of school traffic on the way home, which is never fun. But I figured I'd go earlier in the day while I had the energy and motivation to do it, because I felt like if I waited till my normal time, by then I'd be like, oh well, I'm comfortable at home, and end up not going. I wanted to make sure I went today, so I left much earlier. And now I'm gonna have to kind of pay for it in traffic. That's where they'll have the car meet at tomorrow, but like I said, unfortunately I can't go tomorrow, so I don't even get to try to go this time. This counts as lane filtering, right? Technically, is that what I just did? So it's not really lane splitting. Are you gonna do it or not? Go, but I guess you're not doing it. And now they have their signal back on. It's an interesting car. I don't think I've seen one of those before. I don't know what it is. What scent is that? I'm trying to see what scent her air freshener is. It's like mint green. No, I'm not staring at you, lady. I just want to know what your car smells like. I wonder if I ever creep people out because they think I'm looking at them and I'm not. Probably happens all the time. Whoops. Hers is all sparkly. Hell yeah, brother. Ian Shocker, he's texting. Crank that hog. Why did I say that? I saw a Ferrari yesterday on my way to work, which was pretty cool. I think it was an F12. There was a woman driving it. It was a nice grayish color, as you can see right here. I wish I would have seen it on a day like today while I was out riding. It's usually not how it goes. There's probably not going to be a lot of talking in this video just because I talked for 2 videos already, so I don't really know what to say. This one might end up being a lot shorter. I don't know. That guy in the GMC Denali that was just in front of me. Nice matte black. But that truck up there that was just right in front of me, he cannot pick a lane to save his life because he's trying to get wherever as fast as he can. I don't think he's been in the same lane for more than like 2 minutes at a time, because he just keeps going back and forth trying to pass everybody, and he's not good at it. But he can't read traffic. So I guess my camera battery did make it the whole way back. It did survive, but like I said, I didn't really know what to say or talk about, so I'm not sure how long this video is going to be anyways. I might go mess with the ZX1000 a little bit more. Sorry, I shouldn't have talked in that little tunnel, but I might go mess with it a little bit more and see if I can get anything figured out or improved. To do though. This really sucks because, like I said, I got it not running. Like, that's how I bought it. It was not running. I figured out that the battery was completely shot and that it needed that little sensor thingy up front. Got those replaced. I had it running, even rode it around a little bit, and then immediately after it just stops running again. And then the part that I thought was the problem, I replaced several times, and it still didn't fix the issue. So it's just really frustrating because, like, kind of had a restarting point, I guess. I don't know how to word it. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, please stick around. I'm not quitting YouTube or anything like that. There just might be a little gap in the uploads. I'm trying to avoid that, but we'll see what happens. I'm not sure how much time I have left before riding season's over this year, but we will see.